Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's video, I am going in or using the EXO Scorpio Vibes palette along with the lip kit. I keep calling it lip kit because I'm freaking Kylie, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But yeah, I use this on the eyes, and then the lip is perfection. And I try to make the look as simple as possible for you guys so you guys can recreate it. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're going in with the Scorpio Vibes palette by Evettexo. Finally getting to it. I got this in August and I meant to do this look in November, but things happen, right? So let me just do my brows real quick. So I'm going in with the concealer and the name Star. I love this concealer. It's super buttery and smooth. It's not too thick. It's lightweight, but it gives the coverage that I need. And honestly, I think this is a bomb ass base for eyeshadow. Like, for real. I love it. I love it so much. And I'm just blending this out with my concealer brush and prepping it for the eyeshadow look. Now I'm first going in with the shade Passionate and putting this into the crease and blending this out, and it even blends really nice with the concealer being a base. Like, that is major, because sometimes your eyeshadow isn't doing what you want it to do because of the base that you have. Just saying. So yeah, I'm just blending that out, and then I'm going in with the shade 143 and putting this on the lid, but more so on the inner corner of the eye, blending that out into the center seamlessly. And then I went in with the shade Mysterious, which is a black shade. Oh, before I did that, I went in with Passionate again and blended that into the crease. Then I went in with Mysterious and then added that on the outer corner, blending that into the brown, and then blending that up in the crease. And then I went back in with Passionate, which is the shade that I have in the crease, and blended that all together. For the tear duct, I used the highlighter in the palette called Turns to Gold. And then I'm using the Tarte Tarte's liner. I was going to do a wing, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do a wing because I had an idea. So I added a black eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eye, and I kind of blended that in with the eyeliner right here, and I think it just made it look a lot better. I really like when the liner is kind of like smoked out into the eyeshadow. And then I'm just putting on my lashes, and then I elongated my eyeliner in the tear duct to kind of give that cat eye, but without the wing, but I did that off camera. And now for the primer. So I'm using the Aura primer from Cosmetology. If you want to try this out, definitely should. It is like my holy grail right now, and it's the link in my bio. You're just gonna go where it says Beauty Cosmetics, and it's gonna be there. You can buy it in the bundle or you can get it individual. And I'm just rubbing that into my skin. It has this, like, I don't know how to really explain the texture. It's not like a lotion. I just don't know how to explain it. You just have to try it, but I really like it. I know it makes my skin look light, but I feel like there's a reason for that. And when I put the foundation on, it just goes on very smooth. Like, I know I'm speeding up through it, but it's very, very smooth. The foundation is also lightweight and it's buildable, so if you feel like you want more full coverage, you can add more. I forgot the freaking name of the foundation. Hold on, let me find out right now. So the name of the foundation is Sunstar. So that is my shade. And I add a little bit more on my forehead because, you know, I have a bigger forehead. So I need more foundation on it. And yeah, I'm blending that out. Make sure you get towards the hairline. And then for concealer, again, I went back in with the Star concealer. I add a little bit more than usual because when I have a smoky eye, like, I don't know, I really like a full coverage, like, under eye. I don't know. But I love this concealer because it's like, it's weird in a good way. Like, it's like the perfect shade, that yellow undertone, but it's also brightening. So it definitely gave my under eye that lifted look. So I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender, and I just love the formula of this concealer like a lot. Like a lot. I love it a lot. So here I'm showing you my face up close with the foundation and the concealer together with no powder yet, and it looked so good. Now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way translucent setting powder, and this applicator I got from Amazon. I love it. And I've been switching between the Huda Beauty Blondie and this one, and I feel like this one is kind of going to give you more of like a brighter under eye because it is translucent, whereas the other one is just more of like a yellow tone. So yeah, I'm just patting this everywhere that I kind of want to set. And then I'm taking the bronzer in a palette called Energy, and I love this bronzer. And then my camera dies. So yeah, now I'm just going to talk for the rest of the video. So my camera died, unfortunately, and it died when I was doing the bronzer, right? So real quick, I want to talk about the bronzer in this palette. I love it. I love it so much. It looks a little light in the palette, but it's perfect for my complexion. And off camera, I did my blush. For blush, I used the Too Faced Sweetheart blush. I love this blush. And then for highlight, I used the Turns to Gold. Very pigmented, love it. And then I smoked out my waterline, bottom lash line, with Scorpio Rising, this like deep purpley shade with some of the brown and the black. And then for my waterline, I used the Benefit, where is it? Highbrow pencil. This is obviously supposed to be under the brow, but I use it as like an eyeliner. What else? Oh, okay. So first things first, I love the vibes of this palette, Scorpio vibes, and I love how it has a little like zodiac symbol right here. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's a little dark, but it's engraved into the shadow along with EXO. Actually, hold up, I'm a little slow. That is not the Scorpio one. It's this one right here, the Scorpion. I don't know why I said this one. But yeah, I love how it has like the Scorpio engraved into the bronzer. And then it comes with a mirror and then the sheet, which I really like. It's a durable sheet. And then what else did I do off camera? I did the lips. So this is the lip combo right here. I'm gonna open it. I don't know about you, but I keep everything in its original packaging. That's just something that I've always done. So we have the lip pencil, and I love this lippy on Yvette. Well, Blanca, that's her name, right? Blanca. And the lipstick, here's the packaging like the other ones with EXO on it, if you can see it. I like how the cap is like magnetic, and this is the shade right here. It's like I don't know how to explain this nude.
It's kind of like a gray nude, and it's super creamy. It smells good. Love that. And I love this look. I love the smoky eyes, the mysterious look. Very cute, very cute. Love it. Look at that glow. The highlight in that palette is bomb. So yeah, this is a completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you will be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. TikTok with 2 A's at the end, at therealshaynaa, and then my Instagram is at therealshaynaa as well. I've been active on TikTok super a lot. Like almost every day. I'm trying to be more active on there and talk to you guys on there as well when I'm not on YouTube. It's honestly a lot easier to record on TikTok because it's like, with YouTube you have to like put the video together and like edit it, add music, whereas TikTok is like everything's on one app and you can just put everything together and just upload it like right away too, right? Yeah, so follow me on there and Instagram, and also check out my website, mydailychoice.com/therealshaynaa, down below to get your cosmetology. Let me tell you, you're sleeping on the primer and foundation and concealer. Concealer's freaking dropped it. The concealer is up, so you definitely need to get that down below. When you click the link, you're gonna scroll down where it says cosmetics, beauty and cosmetics, I think that's what it says, and then you just click it and then it shows everything like the bundle, and then it also shows it like individual. So definitely these three is like amazing. Like my skin looks so good. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.